Ayan, few more minutes na lang. Bear with me. Bear me. Because I'm super thirsty and hungry too. Ayan. Super thirsty and hungry too. Ay, nako. Hirap kumita ng... Ayan. Thank you guys. Turn around. Turn around. Guys. Bumalik siya dito. Oh. Morning. Takot siya. Ayan. So, that's the school. Thank you guys. Salamat guys. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Ta-da. Thank you, thank you. Ta-da. Salamat, salamat musika. Thank you. Ayan. Ayan, mag-get ready na kayo guys. Ayan, Ivy, ready ka na. Velvet, ready ka na. Ayan, Lovely Red, ready ka na. Lin, ready ka na. Who else is there? Sisi Pia. Sisi Pia is always ready there. Sisi Nining Joy, shout out. Thank you, Sisi. Salamat guys. Ayan, ready na ba kayo? Malapit na tayo guys. Malapit na tayo. 6 minutes to go. 6 minutes to go. Ayun. Sayang hindi nakaakyat si Pia. Maganda sana ang usapan. Diba? Maganda sana ang usapan. Kapag may guest. Alam mo naman. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Ayan. Salamat guys. Ayan na. Salamat, salamat musika. December. Salamat, salamat musika. Ayan. Dito lang. Busy lang kaya. Ayan, tambay lang. May ginagawa. Sis. No problem, Sisi. Nining Joy. Sisi, Nining Joy Bisaya. No problem. Thank you. Ayan. We're almost there. Salamat, guys. We're almost there. Ayan. Salamat guys. Ayan, 5 minutes na lang. 5 minutes. Ay, ang daming bird. Ayan yung bird, oh. Nandyan sa lamp. Saan na yun? Ah, lumipad. Ay, nandyan. Nandyan, oh, sa lamp. Yung bird. Ayan. Malapit na. Ayan, may bird pa pala dyan, oh. Ang daming bird. Oh. Gustong itis ni ano. Itis ni ano. Ay, ang cute. Ang cute, guys. Yeah, look at these two birds. So cute, the bird right there. Isn't that cute? Amazing two birds. Yeah. Malaki nila ang taba. Ang taba, guys, di ba? Amazing. Ilagay na natin sa ano.